Hey, and welcome to the new video from Datado Academy. In this video, I want to show you how you can change things on Amazon. By change, I mean you can literally create a new listings, update titles, descriptions, upload images, manage your orders, run your full PPC, and much more. So let's dive to it. So before we start, we need to make sure that you have all of the permissions set in a place. First, head to accounts, and for all of your accounts that you want to change things on Amazon, you need to pick the read and write access. I have it set for all of them. Now, when it comes to doing changes on Amazon, in Datado, we call them actions, and you have full dedicated page to this one. This page is basically your log, so you can see all of your changes that you did with all of the details, so nothing got lost. The second thing that you need to do is manage your actions. Simply click here, and those are the action settings in your organization settings. Here, settings, and actions. And here you need to enable or disable different operations that you want to do. And you have operations for Amazon Seller Central and for Amazon Ads. Now, if you want to go deeper, simply go to our documentation page on actions. And here everything is pretty much described, all of the actions, how they work, and you can actually just put them to your favorite AI assistant and it will help you understand them. Now, let's go to our AI tool. I'm using Claude, and one thing that we also have to do is the connector settings. Simply go to our MCP connector, settings, connectors, Datado, and we need to click here for write and delete tools. I will have them for needs approval. Once you do it, we are all set. So let's start with some use cases. And I will start with ads. First, I want to check my 10 worst performing campaigns by ACOS in the last 30 days for my UK seller account. All right, so we get our worst campaigns and we can see the campaign name, spend, sales, and ACOS. And basically, I want to act on them. So what I will do is I will ask AI to pause all of them. Now, when it comes to actions, we have a special parameter called dry run. What dry run does is it just validates the action, meaning if you put the prompt with the dry run option as true, you will see if your change will hit the Amazon and what will actually happen before and after. Let me show you. Now, pause all of them, the 10-1, dry run only, show me before and after, do not push anything to Amazon. You don't have to say do not push anything to Amazon as we already have dry run only, but still I want to be 100% sure, so you can also do the same. And now Datado will actually validate this and visualize us what will happen. And you can already see dry run. This is validated. And there are no issues, nothing was pushed to Amazon. We haven't created any action yet, but we can already see the before and after. So that's the campaign portfolio. We can see the before, it was enabled, after, post, and also like the spend and ACOS. And basically, if you want to pause them now, all you gotta do is just type the prompt, pause them now. I'm not going to do it as I don't want to pause them. This is my client's account, but you can actually go ahead and if you want to do something with your ads after the dry run, after this is validated, you can simply ask AI to do it and it will apply this change to Amazon and it will also log this action into the actions in Datado dashboard. So you can also see it there. So that was the case with the ads. Now let me show you the case with listings. So first I want to find my best-selling product by units in last month. All right, so we get our bestseller unit, we can see it. So now I want to get all of the listing information on my bestseller, such as description, title, and so on. And we are actually using the action, but this is the special type of action that is only doing the read operations. So there is nothing you have to worry about. Some of the actions also are doing special requests to Amazon to retrieve more information. For example, this one just got it from the Amazon Selling Partner API. So we got this table, we see the ASIN, FNSKU, title, brand, manufacturer, and all of the other information here, pricing and offers. We can see product attributes, we can see the content, such as the bullets, product description, and much more. And we can also get the images. Now I want to rewrite the description and use the suggestion of the AI. Of course, I don't recommend you doing this. You should never just ask an AI without very specific directions on what you want to do and how. But on the purpose of this short video, I just want to show you how you can actually change your listing. But of course, you will do it your own way. So let's try this prompt. Now rewrite its description to it with the main benefit, and I want to do it as a dry run only, and I want to see the before and after. I can actually see that it's loading my deslop skill, which is deleting all of the AI slop, which is so funny. I didn't ask it to do, but we will get the better result with it. So that's actually nice. And it just showed you that if you have some skills already created for your Amazon business, AI may sometimes just use them also And we got it. So we see that we are validated. It's all true, zero issues. Nothing is pushed yet to Amazon. And we see the before and after. And AI here also tells me what changed and why. So here, this is like just an example. Right now, let's assume that I am happy with this change and I want to push it to Amazon. I would just simply say push it to Amazon, and this change will actually go to my account and change it. And this change may take quite a few minutes, so don't worry if you don't see it live on Amazon. This is normal and it's just the limitation of the Amazon APIs. That was it when it comes to write operations of Amazon. Again, I highly recommend you to go to our hub, to documentation, actions, so you can really read it all with the help of AI and fully understand what's possible. Additionally, I want to say that we are just starting with the nice things. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.